riding a bike offers exercise, fun, and adventure. It's also good for our environment. Did you know more children from the ages of 5 to 14 years old are seen in emergency rooms for biking-related injuries than any other sport? Theo knows wearing a helmet can reduce the risk of severe brain injuries by 88%. Theo says, follow these tips to stay safe while riding your bike. Tip 1. Always wear a helmet when riding a bike. Tip 2. Make sure your helmet is the right size and fits correctly. Theo wants to know, does your helmet fit properly? Take the helmet fit test with Theo and Clara. Watch to learn how you can use your eyes, ears, and mouth to make sure your helmet fits properly every time. Eyes. Put the helmet on your head. Look up. You should see the bottom rim of the helmet. Ears. Make sure the strap forms a V under your ears when buckled. The strap should be a little tight but comfortable. Mouth. Open your mouth as wide as you can. Now shake your head. Does the helmet hug your head? If not, tighten the straps. Tip 3. Know the ABCs of checking your bike before riding it. A stands for checking the air in the tires. B stands for checking your brakes to make sure that they can stop the bike. C stands for checking the bike chain to make sure it is clean and lubricated. Tip 4. Wear light or bright colors to be seen. Tip 5. Theo says, when it starts getting dark outside, make sure your bike has reflectors and a light, and make sure you are wearing reflective material when riding your bike. Theo knows. In 1993, Georgia passed a helmet law requiring all children under 16 to wear an approved bicycle helmet while riding a bike on public roads, sidewalks, and bike paths.